Dodo na ne tena ka mu kwantin akotonium abegu ye shop mu se wo benya ne nyina ofako enno so ya asem foforo wo so to mfa ko sika so ne mpatamu anase achimota lapa se kosi nsawam. Jimmy Dale is your one-stop shop distribution for wholesale and retailers. Safa drinks, insure, enyane anase ade bia wo pe bia. So wo koton ko ade a ene bia wo se wo tu a eye Jimmy Dale. You can locate Jimmy Dale Ventures at Giga Junction inside Soto, or call us now on 0208-920-996. Jumidel Ventures, the official sponsor for Samiflex TV.
Everybody check now. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. The beat is real. Don't wait, make it kill ya. Get your green select glucometer and check it. Sugar level, check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Green select glucometer. Check it. Check it. Check it. Push sugar level for check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Green select glucometer. Everybody check now. This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Are you an artist finding difficulties shooting your music videos due to financial situations, poor directing, or poor visuals? Then worry no more, because Kojokin Production, in collaboration with Flex Entertainment, are here to save your situation with a soft promotion package. From now till December, get a powerful top-class quality visuals to your music videos at a cool 2,000 Ghana cedis and the most interesting parties at your own choice of location. Won't pay way, now pay DN. For more details, just pick up your phone and call them on 0249817182. Get the best and a quality video.
If you are a lover of showbiz content and you've not subscribed to Samiflex TV, then I can humbly and authoritatively tell you that you are missing out on a lot, because we have everything show business for you right here on this channel. And when we sit like this from morning till evening till night, it is back to back showbiz content, giving you up-to-date information in our space. Samiflex, I'm seated with my charges once again. You watch this on Kingdom TV as well. Big ups to all our followers on Kingdom TV here in Ghana and around the world. You guys are watching on YouTube. That is the biggest platform in Ghana. Now, yesterday, some facts came out, and Chemo shared and said, some facts today. Sorry, Chemo, about the YouTube business.
Yeah,
being one of the biggest business in the world now.
Now, yes. In terms of,
were you surprised when you saw that?
Oh, not at all. Not at all. They say a research be about out there say crowd more UK need China and USA. We almost say now over the year about 60% saying said they want to be YouTubers. Yes, in their no choice YouTube no. I didn't know why I could a problem I'm moving because our Basha Nasa was over so YouTuber. One Hana when she had there Obedia Grodo. And Indian baby a YouTuber do need it. Obian to me my name before.
In fact, the information to me was a little surprising. Hey, now it is considered as one of the biggest businesses in the world. Like,
yes,
not only at a certain area, geographical area, the world over.
Yes, a honor is to be advertising because everybody is there. Yes,
advertisers. Advertisers are going there
more. Yes, because a honor be in fact, a month for YouTube in other traditional media now.
Is this a threat to the traditional media?
Oh, not at all. They have to be strategic and come up with something.
Because now the traditional media too doesn't want to collaborate with the online platform. They want to do their own thing. I don't think that they will lose at that point, but or more what is coming in there, or a beer join the crowd, or even or on funny full program at all crowd, or the short one be better. No, Ben Tyson say, anyhow, let me go and watch that one. And then do almost to me, I more strongly, but. So all my read there better to say a two Nokia. Obesha na ababa betwem ko yes.
Yes.
Without knowing what really is going down.
Yeah. And the Osha Crow most are predicted even last quarter, yeah. Yeah, honor advert crowd backers in or more to me or more revenue no crowd shooting beyond a
yes.
And yes, in the last quarter, yeah, they will be our content. This is the time to release them because you cannot.
I see. All right, so Chebo is a YouTube expert, and yesterday we read a story. The story was talking about the fact that YouTube is one of the best platforms to advertise now. And I'm asking, is this a threat to traditional media, especially TV stations? Kojo, let me get your opinion on this.
Threat? Yes, in a way, it can be a threat because we are talking about viewing. So, say a honor amount for 1 year then, a kosha, it means say a bit to me reduce so more viewership. No? But then it is also another way of communicating or relating with people. And so, in COB, I don't say also hobby. Among YouTube, no, they don't have what you the traditional media you have, but you can have this.
Yes.
You can also be a serious YouTuber because if you have more advantage, because you already have a certain number, sir, so you just migrate them onto that platform, and you become more bigger than even them. But what they feel is say, to employ strategists to manage their mom so that they will be very active into our content to be not move feed into there. Then also the revenue, but into OGH on our GH so you don't lose out. And you know, where everyone say we are see ABA
on a real, even now, traditional media, especially TV stations, are suffering from revenue. And now we are say busy.
Sure.
Now we live in a busy world. Because I don't remember the last time you sat in your room and you watched a program for maybe 2 hours or 1 hour.
Exactly.
Every day you are on the move.
Yes.
But Abia say advertiser and the content beto Sami Flex TV. When you say Kojo I busy crowd no betrasia, he'll still have time to watch.
With the phone.
And yet time I made it 2 mukwana bit me. But with the TV station, the program near to 9 to 12 hours.
Yes.
Time I appoint I see. But this one at any point in time, ubet na wabeshe. And so the advert wa time ababa biya no. Advert ne da. In fact, a chum na there is a reference of the ad.
You know, mra area say and the macro environment need change, you know. You as traditional media, you have to just accept it and adapt to it. But I am not acceptance, so there's a problem. No? They fail to accept it, said this is the new normal. Because you can even stream your TV program on YouTube from an opaque. So viewers now they are on the move. I intimate show. Yentra them on TV. While they have their phones, they can monitor every programmer who you or TV. So it is just a matter of them migrating onto such platforms. Because on share be Instagram near there who are your radio station and I say TV station or platform you just move your audience there. And you will be even more bigger than Obia non as an individual and here provided say Obefa experts. I'm a multimedia I'm managing because you have the resources than an individual will probably have. If an individual can push it to dominate a YouTube with a lot of subscribers and a lot of views, how much more a whole media entity? But most of them don't accept it, or they delay it before they realize, now I'm on for the Ababitrum. Now you see how we have some bloggers they are even powerful than a whole media. They
are making revenue.
Because gap but them when social media came in, they couldn't adapt to it quickly. It is a gap but them it's difficult for them to catch up. Because some of the radio stations, social media and our following very appalling. But more numbers, more following, but it's so man sassy and tempting, I feel that they are trying to catch up. And the way the system is fast, delay so we anticipate it right from far away. So before it comes, now put 2 measures a buy and then you quickly jump on it.
I see. Kojo Kinder is a blogger, marketing executive, jhnews.com, and I believe you've heard his opinion. Chemo started. Let me ask same question to Nana Reagan. Where Mbogo now, moving on to the main stories. Just that yesterday, the story we read, some of us, we were shaken by the story. Say, hey, Charlie, we are seeing a call there, and they more TV station, almost 60 poor attention. I had that you put na yomuka. I that you put ayomuka. Yes, Nana, what do you also think about this?
I think say be omuka, be omwana,
loose.
Yes. I think say if you are seeing if you are traditional media, you can still adapt certain strategies to survive within the world now. So it's just a matter of I see say a bit more competition more. You see how you're lazier. If you're a media house and you're lazy, you'll be exposed in terms of building content to get revenue. You'll be
content,
totally, yes. You'll be exposed.
Content, no.
Yes.
Because now the guys online, they have content even more than those on the traditional media.
That is why some of them are even going to buy content from
YouTubers
to put on their platforms.
Because I think that's a solid point. The TV platform, the main traditional platforms, their content is becoming weaker by the day.
Because I don't know why Ghana has. I say program managers ne wana for no money na say ye de omu na go one classroom ye chrom say okay we program manager my radio station and as a TV station these are the lineup who feel this lineup I mean say we feel so they most of them are not being unique like I say obia at a point all the local speaking tree stations they were all following the strategies of Peace FM despite media multimedia mo star mo anopa on be newspaper review area kakama he made area no ma be news program bi no ma be drive time no ma say in Sakaye BNT obia be radio station TV station it is the same lineup the same programs the same start the same time no changes bia so when they continue like this then of course the YouTubers will give them a tough time. And no man show here, no nebe kuma yes say if we are seeing any na YouTube ba YouTube ko ni nim na e ba be treta ba be kuma bet e yo mo kasa mo djuma die no e nebe kuma
because you know I sometimes do analysis of these boys who are churning content online na obehwe no omo resources omo krompo nye enough obehwe ni phone back bi pe or microphone back content or they churning out no but because TV station a whole studio can see what she and the resources, the human resources you have, and you might bet me there.
Of course, but I'm a pioneer cotton newspapers, thousand media, the boost studio, be no crap no. Yes, down mobile headline, details no, a headline to headline.
I know, it's me who are a new standard. I not reading.
Hey, you almost say, says you about me, I say, the Ghana card. I also say, you told you, was saying, no, we are now you saw your arguments, so if they, I think they have to be creative. And they have to build content because if you have a unique content and find only the Osha YouTube, he will still be forced to come and watch you. And at that point, Kaponoka bet me the one stone and kill it two best. Would be better to YouTube as I be to traditional media? The only access to internet, never show traditional media. The only access to internet or busy, no, or no special YouTube. No, then it will even make you make more money.
I see. All right, beautiful opening. Nana Reagan, Beef Nation president. He is a blogger, journalist, and he's here with us at SummitFlex TV. Remember, you are also part of the show. So why don't you also tell us what you think? The fact that YouTube is making all the money when it comes to media advertisements, they are making all the money, and this is a fact-finding story that came out yesterday. I see it making kind. We are moving on to other stories. Thanking my production team, the Guitar Rasta is Currency, Richie Flex, Yaola PG, Tina Baby, as well as Gideon Neil Amtesin. They are the guys behind the production, and we sit here to talk about the real deal. Now, I've told you that since YouTube is paying revenue well, we are also not going to sleep. We are going to think and give it to you guys. Next week, something big is starting on Sammy Flex TV. It is called the Flex Court. And some biblio industry will say the court near Cocasemino, near passing judgment. In fact, Sunday, courses and the TV channel, and paying kind within 30 minutes. A passing judgment, we know your goons who there's no one going him. Then it goes on like that. So watch out for that. It is the Flex Court. We will be judging all the cases in our industry. Judge Kobo Metiha Mekanselina. That's how we're going to do it. Now we are moving on to our first story. Na Kwakesi Akasemi. Sasemi Bedi Hunkomo. Or say in our industry, if you criticize people, they see it to be hatred. Time I'll kasi oh Charlie, can you say no but none the fans no me hater. Nobody balls Shatawale Medical. Mamefa Felanka. After almost prison break, the kind of relationship we are seeing with them, normal amount. Because me there, me sure I grow your amount with me fan and phone me who are anything. But I ask, how are they going to maintain the kind of friendship they have started? So beautiful. Sometimes you might think so. They didn't cry a bit free, but look and they said that Shatawale come. No, you know, wow, this is so beautiful. I pray for sustenance. I'll ask my people, Abia, I'm bet me the 1 or 2 information we have to acquire my mom for bet me on. Shatawale saw chia when another Regan, Shatawale saw chia. Or so the beef. And of course, shut up, bro. So the beef. And you or Shadana, oh yeah, the oil. Oh, I wanted to go and diss him on my. I don't know why that you like this like that. So that is just by the way.
Evidence one got this in Snapchat.
No, man, I was not man. And again, Stone Boys in the news. He started an agenda fighting against Galamsey. Now, Oko, Peace FM, and some baby also. First, Stone Boy said that Oti Kwame Sefakai program so kokroko interview no. Oti na ne ho popo. Ne yam hyehye no. Of Felisa se otro wasi. Wako interviews bebre America, Jamaica, dear. But that platform no, not ne ho popo. Now I'm asking that, is Stone Boy just patronizing Chairman Sefakai or he's being real? Because that same studio, I'm sure he's been there 1,000 times doing other shows. So I call Kwesi Abuaji program so that and once and twice. It's also Chairman Kokroku Chairman Kokroku show. So now Okasine Hopopo as a troubles, What does it mean? As a Omo entertainment for no cost in there. Oka the circles maintain was he going to say something different? Was he not going to talk about the same show business that he has been talking about now? Abia one should be, maybe be shape, me so. I'm giving you, except when we come back, we will start with that discussion and the rest of the topics. No, everybody now, Showbiz Daily, Sammy Flex TV, Kintom TV, be part of the discussion. And to all the people who called me, Abeku, shout out to you. Abeku called me from US today. I said, Brother Sammy, should move me phone lines and yet, okay, I've wakasa odi mu mie phone lines na mo nya na mu mie phone lines yes dey tin try ya na zabi e bie phone lines that na na on share do bana be sha no akocho dey on so show on YouTube. That is the discussion. So tell us what you think on WhatsApp 024-351-4732. That is the number on your screen. Anytime you want to link up with Sammy Flex TV, same way, link up there na ear monkomo, and on YouTube live you can also share your opinion with us. Showbiz Daily, Sammy Flex TV, Kintom TV. Watch this, we'll be right back.
Daddy, where the mammy father credit Siano, aha mitine. Daddy, where the mammy father credit Siano, aha mitine, me hope pass and exams all. Yeah, the secret car, and I'm saying, hey, Hannah, what do you about? Yeah, because I couldn't, I'm saying to the president, the body in the Daddy, where the mammy father credit Siano, aha meeting me hope people pass me exams or yeah the secret car and I'm saying hey how would me about yeah because I'm saying to the president the already dey buy that way the mami fa the credit Ciano.
Okay, so we are back. Showbiz Daily, Sammy Flex TV. Na me Mr. Kojoki no starting Kobo say, is Stonebwoy just patronizing Chairman General? Because of course we know the weight of the program. That one day we will not close our eyes on that. Inti or two and intino or patronizing no. And I say for real, obe shaking akra.
Yeah, I think Stonebwoy was being real, yes. And he's not the first person Waka say or back interview, even entertainment interviews, Kurana Osro. Sarkodie said it when he came to Xylophone. Or say at times, Osro interviews because assembly Obekano, maybe ya misconstrued, and I know couple of musicians mobile interviews. They are big, but anytime they are going for radio interviews, there is an element of fear in them. And then no I say social media be any Facebook na ma radio I fool. First na radio hu pa. Otis obi na radio so kasa na hu pa because you don't know any pa 80 or abonting. And one mistake betimi ama eni mercy. Ite ade hu anytime bia no as an artist o kwa ehu kakra wo mu intema o prepare hu ye na hu kwan a obefa so a obetimi abibia answer. Ena that platform no say nye entertainment more political and okay say president baho vice president ministers and other people until at that point although it might be the same seat I betrem for Kwesi Agbaje, but this time it is a different setting. Exactly, different setting.
But my issue is Stonebwoy was not going to talk politics.
Yes,
Stonebwoy was still going to talk showbiz any domain.
The domain.
Or authority.
Yes.
And what was the fear?
But still, you know,
you move from one station to the other. Now, see how can Peace FM or Tuesday 18.
Yes.
Okay, and who also
say entertainment. Enna, they tell you say okwa enye ebi wo ha enye film po, but unye free with that environment. To say na ebi am betena ha and I say me ko tena Xylophone. The way I'm free and I can move about, me ko different station ho no me careful kakra because me nye familiar with the system. It will take some time so that the ice will break off me. And now, on a political show, although you are going to talk about entertainment, but when you say question back, who wait me free one back, yet or failed one. Imagine some papaya could boost a question beer boils down on the whole economy beer and what undertones of entertainment kakra. So, what do you mean? No one to me, I'm 1 year. Why we are no acquisitions say go for Ukraine omunye deep, and he knows the kind of people are mobile and the figure now or turn the no or a huge figure. And I don't think say bia what in anya interview crowd on in anya nkutaudi be yet too much sir. It's a holiday. Yes, he was being real and a bit happened to many musicians because interview there no matter what if you have been part of interview or countless occasions still there is a fear but carefulness because you don't know when I be betting hiding especially in our space now. Your pesa mistake all the time there's all that yes I over here now. So he was being real.
Okay, thank you. Kojokin has started for us. He said Stonebwoy was being real. Some people are asking, say, was he patronizing a chairman? Say, Fakana, because I got to be a piece of Kokroko, so I appreciate the platform. What do you also think about this? Chabu, to ask mommy, same question. Was he patronizing the host and the platform?
I think that, say, Oyisu Brofan Kobeka, say, or nervous. And okazo nervous nzo anka obia yemfa serious biasa anke be say normal for anybody but okano twi no ana okano kasa bia one hwe akoyese fear no give different meaning And you know, said the after saying that now Otimi a cracky joker almost answering and there any fear a nervousness now be happen to be but with time obey
time will cast as it was the latter part of the interview crumple
in the
and yet it was the beginning. Yes.
Okay. And now na or can or bad beginning the next because we obi a oye nervous and now you know what's a cracky joke at the end of the day as I make sense more be asre and not just na wa overcome in the be na or reporting or bar for mood no womb and now they cancer and you know normal say obeko show bi to say kokroku a big like yeah the man on any nkofo mo ko onzo ono kwa bo say president baby obetena na menzo matena intikra na president ba ode na konya ba na ama mo sere no
and they
di yeah
konya de ozi me padan
sa ozi be mbo timi hu abo bi a o describe na any
abo na de ti
na me ti le yi abo na je no ni ti ho na yeah anyway and you know I think that normal so be nervous say obeko Kwame Sefa kan animu for the first time and said you see can no now san ye joke be FM no me ni say ebi ayem fa no bibi hu bi anaze na opportunizing na all can feeling na no ogum at the time na call no into no sa na be fa na en kokroko big o big yeah o how even politicians no are almost like one of the powerful people in Ghana obit me akano hona omoko like omo pese omo ye bia one of the platforms are always they go there to say whatever they want to say and you know big enough for obia all course biana especially that program no obit me nervous kakra because all course biana e se wadum say ama vote mi o and enya amanfo keke o san adwena o say empanyimfo bi tie me and me did say no na be ma sa nervousness na ba enti no kan I think a normal feeling na obia e ko be sa obi
na na Regan sa feeling no better nya bia ma entertainment presenter bia na no dey for only Sefa kan mo class pe.
It depends on how what platform are all cost because now me ba because even among the entertainment presenters in the campaign but I know money na you feel free, you feel relaxed. You go on my studio go na you do even as a pandit you do two shows there or chana next week will show you so you feel nervous I had the economy call goofy dia kala asemo baby on so you feel relaxed be to me bobo wa joining it is like that. I mean I think it has got to do with the platform now of course and the personality now interview you know everybody the chairman Sefa kan people holding so I think that he was being real because you mood do na crap no you just say nko tana kwa Sefa kan show so na ebia and sad didn't feel in this bit especially when you don't even know his line of questions what exactly he is going to ask you like and
but he went there on an agenda. He went there with a particular theme.
Of course, but you know sometimes you go with an agenda, but the presenter can also twist things if he wants to get certain information from you. So, normal. Obusana about say they are creative. See, you push agenda. Be so, and some we do budget. And I was say, man sikan ko embra creative. Family creative. Bebrena pushes agenda. No bebra same how to get it done. You move bebrena in how to get it done, the knowledge to get that thing done. It's also such a platform. I want say, oh, I had the politicians in the moment you start getting thinking like that, depend on some nervousness never because you busa and okay, you see last year wow oh yeah, entertainment person how much did you contribute to Ghana's GDP and this I what's you another kind of way figures when to me so and come up interview nobody will feel like why because everybody expects once especially be why front line na be also push agenda ni bi and aban why and aban fan dey you busa questions be the far on na technicalities we could feel pay why and the politicians will like more push agenda you don't even know how to get things done. It will make you feel sorry. So definitely but may sure say or we believe this particular thing at the latter part of the interview because of how at the end of command on that so I've been able to but I've been able to overcome it. And my main confess say maybe we move from the maybe I'm saying and I'm a failure and I'm this that is all so it's cool.
Okay, that is very perfect. Nana Reagan, thank you. In Team Dodo Solomon, Chemo, thank you. And Afe Kojokin, thank you as well. And for you watching, thank you as well. I also want to encourage you to bring your comments. What do you think about the topic on board? Stonebwoy saying, say, if one turn so a brow call Peace FM studio. What rouse
and now me in trouble. No, say even Wokrapu. When we mention you to certain artists, so Brass Sami the be interview. Hey, Brass Sami the be interview me. Brass Sami the okay. Now sharp. You understand? So I will be there are certain names out bar nipa no. Busashi. Okay.
Well, let me also get your opinion. What do you think about this on WhatsApp 024-351-4732? Send your messages to us and be part of the discussion online on YouTube as well. Samiflex TV on YouTube, King Tom TV here in Ghana. Now, Stonebwoy is on an agenda. Agenda is or why no or they preaching about Galamsey, the negative effects of Galamsey and also in the voice of Becca say the moment yeng na betimia kambu maka san semwe no ebema Galamsey to atwa na me bisa say ebefa obetimia achieve amanfo akwhye Galamsey ni bot to ayira in fact ye ni ba bi efa still amanfo gusu ye Stonebwoy de nyuma Becca ho. And then comes if I can say, Stonebwoy, you know, cross the same because then you're the part and go award in Wagwan. Say, Stonebwoy now say nothing or stretch anymore. And me say, I'm pretty fierce and then also. Now, let's watch Sunny Stonebwoy explaining yourself no. And then the oppressor day and you achieve. Now, if they are near baby, sir, my pump for say, I dare not a bit me a dear or said you need the greedy men. Some more Galamsey no more greedy. Let's watch the video. We'll come back to continue with the discussion.
Nidi ankasa di eche.
Daddy.
Afonama.
Malisa say.
Na say.
Me pato bibi aboko. Good morning.
Also good morning Nibi. From Ashaman to the world.
Pato ampa.
Lekenyagbea.
Malado mi asasi mauta.
Nkajim lafia nala.
Oh,
Oba Livingston Eche Satekla.
Perfectly pronounced.
Alias Stonebwoy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are Galamsey Jumebi.
Oh, there be.
Are there two Galamsey?
Me pato there be.
And I'm pressing me bisa. Because you say, what about his Galamsey project?
Miss Rewa, simply put, no, yenim said ya, Galamsey ho asem ya ka sebi nyobi na etu ameka se kokabi ana kobwabi but said ya menso so me anyum tuni na me ana mitu rango ya wo mo anam the reggae nyum bin mo ano odin a etumi biebie nsensen bi so no edebaaye no ya mensa share ni tu ding ena mitumi edi foforo so a as a way no address in Yamabebre deforestation Galamsey water bodies because over the period of time no miankasame who say abai born home modern bebre say or de na no or basically nyame bia no and a whole lot and me morning programs say tamana on the president ne you know big dignitaries near the ya me feel say adiena sebe ye anum to for no so ye betumi ede aka BBC ho so personally no me imagine say record where I'm recording a year ago now much fine tuning no I release it in time but the pia me quite say impromptu na say to me edit two horses here no say coincidentally no time and I already say be dropping your na government so the initiative of a to alleviate some hardship situations about so no, this would be the right time to even send this across, because it will fly, so that it continues to open up some of the very dying situations about what we are all facing as a nation, directly and indirectly. Because one time be a me boss store me tutu kwano matia but nyankasa me the many who nyama be brain am say no e kamakuma, because I am a Ghanaian. And imagine say I opened up my eye and I say me obi a me free such communities which I am directly affected by these things now. And can me dekra and can be a media rewosa dia ko me baby. And I'm saying no, for this reason I'll use this opportunity to make sure say I release this song and also seek the honorable premises of persons like you who actually matter, because when you edumedie bi ebe tumi dia fafa baby bia keke entina yesre wada roma o ma ye kwan say ebetumi aba be bie nwom no so kra wa hana ye didi sa nsensem no nkomo.
Interesting. Now obi anim say Stone Boy be nyuma ye be born a nightclub, nyuma ye be born a radio, so nyuma ye dede, nyuma the entire I'm on for the budget, so the asa, the geom, and any idea. 80 Ebanisena with the Stone Boy course, I like we. Ebanese.
Medasi, I son no muhuna say, they be on say, yeah, commercial songs now, a money penny, genius, sunny clubs now, it to me very popular. But the ones that have the matter and the seed in them, no, they relate to a certain class and a certain, level of people. But I am a tattoo sign because offer wrong go say ya and go higher say crana. I'm one of the artists that I make sure that my music has some seeds and are very inspirational. So I'm not new to putting vital messages in my songs. I'll use this opportunity. I remember a man for who say most of us do sing about some things that are very relevant and pertinent in society. So they should use this opportunity as well to pay attention to those things, because ebeboa.
Why no target for Sanyumi?
But on my target now, Kasano and Yomino, is to actually throw more light on the effects of this illegal stuff ECOSO. And I'm coming from the perspective of a commoner or a Ghanaian, and the effects that and the dangers that we go through.
All right, so that was Livingstone Eche Satekla, and what me atreche ne greedy men agenda nimnum. And I'm saying, no, this is not a cause. Stone Boy is the only person who has started it. Government and our governance, with all their macho, with all their resources, they have championed this case till now. No solution yet. I'm asking now that Stone Boy has also joined this call. Now we can start here. Now you say, "Maybe a Stone Boy name is Messiah."
Of course, he can be the Messiah. Maybe a more crab can be no.
But you're blind.
I think you can be the Messiah, but you're blind. Bad.
Maybe I'm not on Quan Baby can be no cry in such a for beating Yaba. I think say a campaign, a campaign. I will say Ghana and Libya didn't movie. Whether Otsi maybe I affect you directly or affect you, you have to say something.
Okay.
Because a BB a yinina AD apart from say affect you directly, say they are all as a cram for to 1 or more cry, they are maybe out no control. And in Sula, send any idea. Then I said the Sebi ferry be near and go as a draw mine. A bedroom review, ever my food productivity cry, ever cough from pint, a do some now, and found what baby I ain't galam say one a come back. Come be in now. in fact your water body is your body say ebi mu yin na mo do baby na ye nya na mo we a come aba come be di obi ebi e na mbo ye din a metobi ubetobi obi a betobi e be kan obi a nti e bibi also obi a de ne ho hyem na ye ni na ye push agenda. So for me I think it's a good thing say as a musician wetin me di use in music as a tool or then I know to movie. In fact this time crap I say who did they not perform. And this is the time who did they know, you know, politicians. Or who did they not perform now before for your Japana or more men and Amasia or Waga drain Yamana. This is the time, yes, or more. So it is good say what's a crap pager. Why you on your man? I think the Kwame Sefa so with his big platform now such an opportunity. Abon who did they kakra. If we continue to talk about it, now Obia omo influencers na omo numbers been Obia the nano shemubia. In fact, best is timamufoni be crapo adwin because obu o no ma onim say galam say ne crapo no. Why na just no do or die whether you and you also you be no so or cry fa no na politicians which of course is treated politicians be fe chire omo me bode roni ti ade ni wi na masa fe chire ye hu ye business ni ade nti no ono so as timamuni no so nya akonye bi ono so be ye o sensu wan sensu wu fa no ho de ohia ne se ono sika pena na we den o pa ko pebet if these influencers celebrities edo manu tumu bia e bet me dey agin sakra and wipe and then off cry entirely but e bet me aboa ma ya limit and say reduce the effect. Yes.
Okay, so Nana Regan is hopeful say Stonebwoy and need who abeka ho obetimi achieve BB. Let me also get your opinion. Now, is this the first time artist be work Kromuha or better still around the world? A project is ongoing now. Artist Niso acquire Nyuma because I'm using this song to support the project or push the project. Has there been any success story in our industry before? You can also add that in your submission. Let me go on to Kojo King. Let me get Kojo King's opinion. Kojo, Stone Swabekami, is he going to add up to the numbers, or you think he's the game changer?
Me born a basso. Say why, sir? Because of late, I was. Of the view say other than young bonaye one way sir. It's about fun near the beji and but music goes beyond just fun. No? Developmental projects and you may be boa community no or honoma oboa and also enya impact. Now say obetimi enya results na depend on no say man enquire say be a nyom keke na wa release but if there is a project behind it obeko to the communities, get to the youth. Because someone yes so get to them and get some experts on.
Can he go to them?
Of course.
Almost survivor now.
Oh no, you can go to them. Share. You can go to them. You are so you influencer. And I be bring up penasem. Until about this is what we are doing. Near my who say MYA and a DNA way.
I didn't have a vagina. Who say, oh, your man, not the from one.
No, most of
them not the from a
illegal galamsey for. It's not as if say they are totally against the campaign. Me, Kakra, me, Martin.
No, for you to do anything that will stop them there. No, they will never be
serious. No, if you want them to stop entirely, give them an option. And
but Stonebwoy is not giving any option.
So what he is doing, say a projector, then you need to find experts and as a people who can communicate to them. So okay, we can give you this alternative. Yes, I will call Kakakoto you match from say Munjai Galam say, and then they say Koya Kasaka. In fact, politicians in the Koya Kasaka change the Biamba.
Wow, ain't you know. Sesa agenda no honomo education e koswa, then he can have a positive impact on that. Because aside everything, no you say home institution so they bread or mine no very bad. Some few people will enjoy the omenye sky crabby they are showing boosting for, but since only say it affects a whole community. It is all many people say yes, I did and they will be kakra and what even you are making no. It's not enough for like I say, who ye be brosubia, but a question sooner cost na de babano. We can't bear it. And recently, the president, I think about 2 months ago, President by out Ebeka say, fighting galamsey no should be consensus. She said, enye saa se the soldier for atu aguom so no ma we say saa de no emwa na emom omni illegal miners no ene ahemfo ne community no ebeto ato adwen na obi atene ho ase oh ade ne ye ni say a ebeboa omo a omuni papers mo nyi nkrata said the bear betimi ehu the right way am betimi mine because nobody's against mining but the illegal mining omo mining they know how to do it emfa so be brembre the environment but illegal miners no omo say the water bodies no it is our consensus building na ye two omo fo o so the fa o say kroma fo no so no sensuo ni say amo immediate community mo na mo bre because ukwa fuomu akope sika de abro maame na onya wie wo maame nsu a wo maame benom no wasan akosa ensuboni abenom no aba yare nti sika na wo de bro maame no wasan de akwa no ho yare ebi kura na sika no nya enough say ebetinya asa maame yare bete bia just hand to mouth enti education no ekoso saa na ade bebre na ebetimi ade ato ma dwumu na wo mu a omuni nkrata the mine no they make sure say they do all the necessary they acquire all the necessary certificates no matter me operate in the right way enti call ya ode abai no yes obetimi appetition e bi abai no na bi o ma eden o ma tarnati na team na o massa education about this illegal mining no e bi aka no so no atu anamo akọ communities na the impact will be felt na koye say enwom akeke say ye monti ani obi ama because on also feel say no na yeden e ma na dwani di and you provide alternative via the emba it na bi nkra suggest say ne aban no fa sa one district one factory o making sure say eno be koso in those communities no say dey be ya say na mu jai illegal mining na omo ntimi acquire certificate to do proper mining no maybe that job will be alternative or meet me adding aqua. But you also say some of them also no are they willing to leave the galamsey obi wo no face say no they or so yeah na nije hu ana say
a man survivor
a man so on care whether say bibi ana say bibi e to ka so asuma say ya be bie a year aduma ya dis throw and conform be pamatare a no my lifestyle I want to be in the bush me person makosia the pambia but I still want to be there it you know ye share in a broader perspective ye jai ama se bia nkofo nya bibi di edihwe mabusuan nti no ye nya om saa na om say water bodies na eno no it goes a long way to affect obia na say ye hwe ne yen clear saa few people no ne save the life of the thousands and also the millions now since only say wait me you know I will encourage other musicians to jump on board because enya sankwa asan ya de ya bre mo sa nyum papa bi enyum a ede mfaso e de eba na tiska na fashion because enyum we no enya obi ade bebo but sani o ye ho toy sani o be release album abe
I know he's gone to some media.
Then we will see, say, you are really serious. And on you one celebrity from the other. Because, say, ultimately, any positive impact be a dama be a boy, because so a brand theory will see so I know no bonum. And then you're born yet a Nijan Kwa and Ninko. Never what me bonum, a be a mofra. Etimidie we otimi boy yare we honu otimi boy we honu ma de impact bi aden eba society no. So I will give kudos and thumbs up to Stonebwoy for this initiative. But it should have a solid project behind it. It shouldn't be limited to just the song and the level which we always see. But there should be a project a backing a betimi amana impact na at the end of the day. Exactly. Okay.
Kojo King, blogger, marketing executive, ghnews.com, as well as Funny Love Radio. Now, and also, am I a beautiful analysis there? No. Let me get what you think. your opinion on what Stonebwoy has started. Maybe you can also give him some suggestions, some fine suggestions that he can push through to make sure you achieve it. Now, in going to Chemono, I'm asking Chemo, say, and also Audrey was saying, but beyond that, I'm asking this question. Say, one, Sir Adewe Enkrana Confantina. On tuka na onko haifa kwa de kromo ya gala say pa
Kebini
Chebi Kenya say o de bobo akwatia ade no tuka na ne kazanyu mu enka na no pa na nko digina Diamond FM akwatia no gina mu na ade na mo kan City FM ne Accra FM ne na somso ko 3 FM Peace FM Chamo the two questions but I don't know bank town omo ye no but I had the sanka fishing COVID kinata so you be about omo ye fishing no illegal fishing ono say oye nyom ni say is a promoter attacker dey ne omo ye but I kromu ha igala am saying cause on fan town no betimi achieve in the first place.
Yes the why na ye me say me advice ni say the koju can say ononko grounds na onko ye campaign no o so be say ni sika ni time kwa de so ya no ho ye no baby so
grounds no be say ni sika ni time.
Yes baby so obona na obono indi no good advice na ne team no demand say onko Peace FM because omo ye say omo tinyum no o bibiri tie Peace FM indi obona Peace FM a wo Ogbon Peace FM
one the bush ebi ko wish be 2 months no my o ti wo hin
kwajo unim o ma yeso mutie nyum ti na akasa o ma yeso mutie sa nyum we are politicians o mu nyina the Peace FM no mutie
okay
indi ogbon ho a wawie eni so okọ grounds bia sa galamsey fight ya kan ho asem bibiri politicians no attitude no my so mo person be fix e koso and Stonebwoy de wa ya de so be boss anyum we ba sa anyum we enyum a or they prompt politicians and they say there's a problem there waiting for you say monye greedy monya ho bibi
greedy men.
Yes and the grand anyum ni title ye greedy men. In fact enkoma even omo ye galamsey na nkasa say ye you know ekoma politicians they stop them because ono ye galamsey na onya ni sika then akaka say onya ye obida onya you have to force the person eno no odidi ntino ka say onya ya onya the other way is obepe alternative say the nyina ye bedi atum no e de amano no eno kra no alternative obi be ka say ompe sa alternative no enti the ompe no ono ne the yes of forcing because ompe ene no so na ye wa yetim yehu say eno ne beboa but e benya individuals bia ompe sangofo no you have to stop them and how many bit me stop them politicians because they have the military they have the police omo de be force omo say omo stop it one stop here bet you what but akwa ye say omo ye ade ya omo ye even the big men behind no omo ni na politicians okokọchi akra bi na ono tutu form ho na onye hwe o de ono kwa o de fofo de ba
power to do nyon
ono na eye in fact o chi de o tutu form ho no kra na o china o be recruit fofo aba because omo ye do mo ba on grounds no omo na come do omo pa eni do ono e do or die e say de na Reagan kan no o tu onya bia wanya no owu a wawu ebi kura timi ko sham na ebu egu omo so o wura mu nyino ni se betimi ebu nso okọ eye survivor instinct issue ne kan wa ha and the Stonebwoy bonuma sanyu obo dey prompt politicians or body amoma ya aware say there's a problem still say solve and or encourage you omo na o push omo say omo try say omo be push for it so na say ekoya amanfo bi a omo no en survive on that thing na omo hu say eye problem no omo nyina be so mu amanfo so mu amanfo enche danye bibia because leaders na say omo ye ma omo nya chitafo no omo nye ene wiase so no say unhu say obia leader anase nipa bebre ho na obia take action ba ko bia ansore anyina mu take action obia embe so obeye. In fact, an integral researchers be any psychologists be aka say in so air foul na nipa bebre wo ho you are likely to die than say so far na nipa ba akopɛ no wo ho yes because nipa bebre wo ho obi a adwen say obi na be kwa rescue ba ye ba ko a
ene mpanifo nso say oye obi a o yerenem do so ekom de am say ma do
gunu ekom na de no aha say obi a adwen say we de beba ene ho ba say e nipa ba akopɛ na wo ho a bedin won say ojai ma wuwu a be ye say on na akun and do obe try means be obetimi aya said the beya obe say wu the same thing with galamsey thing na ekono politicians ni mienu nyina no obi a said that atie gina e na ohwe ne yonko ohun say ekwan da ho obetimi enya political points a na wo yusu e na omunye say wo koya na ka ha na otu omo no duan egu na wo ho ahwan na wo nzo wate ada ono so ba na zo the same thing akogu ni so and we no purely politician game. Se politician bi yi nanim se obeso ye ni ya obenya support ho ne be ma Stone Boy enum we are very effective because amount for be pushy again say the be be koso but se ono akọ grounds ekoye de opeso ye politician on need to go do endi no ono grounds na akọ no workers no na ono omokoyo sa worker no kra o ka say okay galamsey ntimi nye bi ma foforo bi ekom de na onya ntu bi nso beba you just have to force them to stop it. And the Stone Boy there, why are there? But as you say, bigger impact, you know. When the leaders are not changing their attitude, they are better by square one. They won't happen.
Thank you, Chamu. Could you ask I was be?
Oh, say James say as say, it be a politicians na. Yes, ye wo individuals bi so omo krom ho a omo no mo ye nya politicians but they say
omo ya he
politicians
say individual ma ka omo ya
omo na share campaign
say individuals obi na empower omo
on the share campaign
is empowering them to do that
omo na politicians omo na talk as ma politicians
ni nyina no ade a ye nyina ade adwen ka say ebi mu na tawo machi na omo shom kutu pan na omo yes ade but your individuals omo ye politicians most of them do the proper mining no but galamsey ni de kroma for na yo galamsey no unim galamsey mu a kroma for no ana omo ye
sa kroma for na o kan
obi an show ma say
omo na sponsor MPs omo na sponsor DCs omo na omo na chair campaign money
dabi galamsey no de chair campaign money omo hu ne say asase no ye ne edia ye ne asase okọ western region meaning boys me now for bebre o western region omo ye omo asase no mutu ade no so ti o ba ono na mrani ana otu galamsey no so it omo fa ne so omo asase but politicians there no aye kan omo no ye proper mining no but galamsey no most of the people yes e bi so show machi eti na ade no nye say wo koye akokere no kra na say utu ase but at least ubetimi anya certain impact bi wo so eti nipa ba akomienu bi kra agya ya say krobi de so ensuo bi ho atono na yeguso ye de koyenum but uja and say politician nso a once we keep talking to the people we will get information uko on ma say bi am Stone Boy akọ na oni omo kasa so benya information e bia now no oni idea bia but akọ we just I say galamsey etu ha asumasi na ere ehase I don't know china no so or make another movie onim ni obetimi aye e bi of frame media mpoda but ne title na aye mistake akra greedy na o ko tu obi for na aka say greedy na na yan you
so we agree
na o say mama because say if you call on the consensus level no na minti enyum no munsam de but ye call no consensus level say bia o educate om de na odi kan de na terms of agree and e ma me fa me agree
that's a personal story
last story
I know a group of boys someone ma tama galamsey say me share them page at the they look for investors omo pay investors were online to buy excavators no mo dia bagana no mo makwan for no akoto asase no enye politician young guys Omo to assassin no no money investors na track out.
Nana, you need permission
okay,
to
illegal
No. By
when you go
me about or him the better assassin na ma. Or him the so abaso to assassin on the better amount. But say okwa
they give
minerals no. You need
let me be illegal.
And that is what they are saying.
Of course.
And I mean just say that is how they the illegal galamsey no. You hear say what show him and say na ebia.
Of course.
Or if you command you. Omo ya nkofe am come you croma for. They are close, some of them to are even closer to the seat powers. Yes. Go to the chief and say so nana say na person say na yenya obroni bi oba be you China for ya. Say na yenya obroni bi person oba kru be. Say ohene na je ne cat. But no young boy no so ni broni na strike agreement.
This is a job cat.
No the chafa.
This is
ya je ne cat.
No say two ha say I no be call akoko the political
police commander or area or agent cat. I know the can. The whole thing is say even say individual be cry or no one them cry or case two. Na say DC police commander of the area etia omutimi stopping. They don't stop it because almost do omo cat. In fact, yati DC ya or no akoto asase or dia ma omo ze omuntu. Or no in office but omuntu man.
Okay. Interesting conversation. So far, I want to also know what you think about this. Should Stonebwoy leave it just at the music video and song level, or just as some of my panel members are suggesting, he should go to the people? And I'm asking, how safe would he be if he should go to them, where the people feed? But you need to do or try some say na do and die. I know some of them they fought security officers, they fought policemen, soldier men and all. So if a Stonebwoy just coming to tell them munyai keke with nothing, I say wako bargain table or then you lose pot. Now to our very last story, Showbiz Daily, Sammy Flex TV, Kingdom TV here in Ghana. You can also share your opinion with us here on the show. Now moving on to the very last story now. Director, as I introduce the topic, you can also let the video roll or videos roll as you have them. Ever since Shatta Wale and Medical and the rest of them, Ganji, Nana Dope, Yusuf, aka Yusuf Nidiba, Nidin Crowd saying Deporty, Nidian Kasana Yusuf, Deporty Mobile. We've seen a growing relationship, a growing love between these guys. In fact, all the time, you see a video about Bontier public now. Ubehuna, Shatta Wale, Ubehu Medical, Ubehu Fela Makafui, Charlie, party be what? Like, check one of them. Here, Medical was live on his Insta handle, and Shatta Wale, and it's like the guys are having fun. Like, more or less, there. In fact, deeper than blood, no, Emsa Fina started deeper than blood, no, right? So, Fela Makafui. But then now, don't be. It was a sad that Shatta come no or was so J. Now I said to myself, wow, this is so beautiful, so beautiful. But I'm asking in our industry, sometimes we see some relationship, we see it so beautiful, and check I get it bad, not get it sad, not failure, secret be a course of cry, no more ye peering as if for. Dear Shatta Medical, I'm gonna the key people in here. Looking at what they are doing now. Do we see a sustenance of their relationship? Do we see a sustenance of their friendship? Because like I'm saying, Obia would want it to be like this forever. Obia, one person because say this, oh, you're against. At this stage, I know say SM for Mania J, AMG for Mania J. Would they get it like this forever? We are humans. Sometimes we best see a shit happens. Say, cause you say, say a day in the best say. Cause you say, what will they benefit from? And common cause in fact, Shatta has told me that they have some projects they even want to do together. As I speak, I'm saying Shatta new because I'm remix in Po. Medical, so then it lines. I bet 2 to 1. It is really good. The relationship is so beautiful, so fine. I am only concerned about size. Look at it. Like, look at the way Omonia J, a medical line, why was Shatta new, and they are all rapping the verses back to back. So beautiful. sustenance at the nana a foot to obey na a picky direction at the same.
That's I think said the work on a Bibi say the anka in na ibinya anka and Tom Cosu see ya kusi yes.
Good.
But the woman they say a mirror woman or a coma kesena obetini a prayer woman
and sorry, let me add that we all know say it's not as if it just started after the jail or the prison terms, no. It started before that, Granny or landing. And Shatawale Koye tattoo. Tattoo the cultural MDK. It's just like a 30 it is looking good.
Me put them in whom this Shatawale and the medical connection even before medical Eware Makafui. You could see anytime the vibe or the chemistry among them. And it's a very good. I think it's been there for some time now. If you're more called Jill,
Uncle J-Man, wedding.
I'm a J-Man.
Another dope. Another dope.
Also, J-Man. I'm called you in the bar, and I think say in more baby the bond now is bigger and stronger. And it's a very beautiful thing. It's very, very nice. We wish say a better consistency and carbonibia and babets. Me, I've always been saying, say every good person there is not a perfect person. Every good person is still prone to errors.
Yeah.
And you know, the members trying to say, patience and then akumakesiye to tolerate themselves. Ena ehunya sisia. Be another she no movie afetia ba konasa na sapa kofumobi, and that is where say patience, you know, and I say akumakesiye know to tolerate whatever offense and ipana ayena. That is where it will escalate to okay, my men can we security be a minimum crime, my men can be a public and then say until you know, but train how they can judge around their issues when there are bad times. When during these good times, you see how collectively have fun. So if there are bad times, they should sit down as adults, sit inside a certain room, and then look for solution down to, because they see I know make like I say do na other camps
they will not like this.
They will not like this, and they will be waiting for that time. In fact, the Democrats started prophecies, a bit so predictions we and we are 2 years people
are they have some examples to show. Shatter and Sack at a point in time.
Yes, they were like that, and so some conversations no dey minister by now I started the data. People those who if I want to call video we answer some comments no be but the to them no the message personally me I can send to them and say tolerance and akoma kese na me dey because say who was anyama ni bi na say you become too familiar with even your brother or from how you handle issue no down to go and shame the person or disgrace the person and as I say certain things man nipa na feel some weakness and na account for na say omo ye anti your success or happiness will get a reason to say so say you can won say we and check won say the we mu dey na na sa na apa akoye in fact me nya nka Ghana for artists na say no and if they are like this na some be matured enough omo nya asema omo betena dem omo how omo see and they will still move on. Still now they can move on successfully. Your business. Your pepe. Fella movies your Shatawale will be featured womu. They will benefit. It is your mom pressa akumakesian. No more share the ABA public na say obi or one chain ebeye. And as a siano, momun tin same especially. Ebia so obi aba Shatawale o ze da ye call fella ono but say fella can say san someone kitten no and then na wan hwe ya abia nipa no oye cold warrior wan hwe ya mo so oye better pe afina ebi timi mbe campo na maka say o yen tena say yen kan na for no nam esuma se no so ye nyame bi a o de be take revenge ne sa anya na ye ma sa anya ma we na etimi jiku no nti ye be sere mo mu nti abonten okay mo mu nti abonten bebre because this is the time I mean say sa kasa no fela betibi medical betibi fela ti aba o ka che medical Shatawale nso ti abi ono so ne boys ni betimi a have discussions bi any ade bi momu nti abonte momu form aso ento abonte let me put it that way momu form aso ento abonte if they really we ask our way if you really want to hold on and then move far main nti abonte
protect the space. Okay, Nana Reagan, well said. We're the Beef Nation president on one power wapu beef. I see David where they move here and cover here. Kojo, what do you also see and what advice or directions can you share with them?
Certainly, medical, I call it Jonathan and David. I young fan. Yeah, the mood we pa Emma. Edu baby omo covenant na very beautiful.
What kind of covenant?
Omo share omo humbo say nyade omo ntem ebe tete
na. What kind?
Bible ma say.
How can David ni Jonathan? Okay.
That's a shot.
Miss.
David. We kind of Bible model.
Okay.
Efe senior omo relate no. But I see who say senator chairman kra ampo no omo ko. Enya dia yente se bia bibisa asia na se omontem ayabasa enu de ebesi but how they will manage it no that will be the problem. And sa eye anyankofai ni ye no ana se ebegina no ejina Shatawale so
ade ni ejina Shatawale
greater percentage ni ejina Shatawale
ade na ofin
o Shata ne ho hene oh yes Shatawale de ne ho hene na deporti koi bulldog at a point Arabic
say only the circumstances at which
so ne ho hene say ne ade na wonko
no it could be say the circumstances were their fault
whether their fault no you could have corrected it and I say it takes two to tango
no,
what am I say exactly say me no ya kana me see shall forget it and for whether wo no why me boni ana me na mafom wa fom me na me see enye hwe yentina but me so hamia then I will let you go but one beautiful thing so I say one who say one ko a onim kwan of first so obetimi asan dey aba back so bulldog eba back and was anchor right and I'm going Arabi aba deportee aba edo come quite as some born him yen yeah and don't have one 17 why so ade ba kwa me san pe won ho no say ono ko a asen emema no otimi san siesie ni ntem no masan ba na ni je na yeden asan ho
they beef native
exactly na ade make us ejina Shatawale no say na e ma anyankofa na fa no yi ni say Shatawale nware say Shatawale yes say Shatawale ena eye medical so ware na say sai ma mienu no o ma ntimi Angelia emfa ba we nware
the P Square example
exactly ba we nware ye enti we ni ye free Oshia ayoba ba ko pen na die ntem se ema mienu no so timi jere a eboama sa anyonkofa no eye kama ba Shata is a free man oni oba oyiri bia se na yenim no ewo public say bia waware o secret bi na yenim dia ba enim se onware ye enti no me ba na asem ba me nchen a efie da ho obi aye free we can relate so tina Shatawale a e bia be different so ba no ne sewa antimi ankreke a sewa fela send the news sewa yolo so ma antimi ankreke a it will be a problem anything am di kan say o ma nyonkofa no say be chedo do pa na de ejina Shatawale so and Shata obi a send am di kan say no ho hene no ade e betimi asustain nso ba ko ne say omfa samu nsho mu ebi amafun wa straight Charlie ade we a ye no mani anje ho ono so bibi ya ona nso ano nso opin cause I would say mu a and Shatta I know no be a onfa ade nsie. Enti say ye ka ye ho ne ete ye ho ase you win your brother back. Because me say me personally ade am suro ba ko mi wi ase ne say obi enam ne watena say ya sere ya na ade abechi na me hu anu matwam. One of my greatest fears in life. So all the time I make sure say make me I careful na my maintaining relationship because everything se pass ya tena se yetimi sere ya na ve o chena mi shiawa hwim into me enti na ebe ya se o chena bi na se ne omo gi o mani omo siri na we be hu ne nyonko na omu ntimi nsere sa ebiem. It is not a beautiful thing for. And problems and any misunderstanding it is constant, it's inevitable, it will happen. But how they will manage it, and we are very key. And they shouldn't give space for third parties to come between them. We are beshim now almost and to hear the air bomb because they even bring in fella in crowd make it more beautiful. I say oba or dan terminal oba no a support to friendship because mostly remember your problem a type facing your ma be our fan and for oba be betimi aka so pet adamfo we not on tin animu ma wanyonko a a higher man but this time we see say oba no ejina mu a ono no edo mu ana say onu nyina I say family. And no cry security ma eyo no oba no if say china be medical cry misbehavior because Shatta true medical loves you fella directly be security amount oba no medical ntimi gina so mfa nya obibi bone omu nyina be gina mu ayede aka bia mo it what we are seeing and just an afofo anko business they can do business together because we all know about the music now. Medical is doing equally well. Same like Shatta Wale. So they can team up, become a very great force. Making more money from music, Freelancer and also your entrepreneur. It's a banner, a Juman post say they want to team up and do businesses and make money together. They can do it. So what we wish for is a longevity of their friendship, Say, but yeah, we will see it. A bit me grow beyond. I'm a mama, the adina, beini. I say, this family was tight and together. Or Chinabia, fella, but to say, oh, Shatta Wale Bania, they can even connect to that level. So, a good thing, but Shatta Hohe. In medical, and you're very careful. I say, ultimately, Yakuma, a so better media tolerating, because or you'll be so and who and can. One in ten and you could say it. So when you are one in 10 pa, but onya kuma eswa obetim dey accommodate all that comes with Shatta Wale. But Adam kwa nka funu mako ha na so omani nyamefe. Omani. Me video no. Especially money card na nyamefe. Asa na ni ase aso. Ala me stress ni na me. What would any aso? No, very card.
No, no special medication you must. Especially I love the marriage bit, Oh yeah. Also when there is a woman involved, sometimes we now fear and come out about the other guy
exactly.
And also to meet the longevity of the relationship. Yeah, now we are not in home.
Yeah, the psychology 101. Happy people don't take good decisions. Psychology 101. Happy people don't take good decisions. At this point, they are happy. Say, yeah, the work with jail. I said, the Oma from Muji money. Now, mobile, you are happy. And the Omope say, the Bakobeka say, you be a Bakobe support on me. Now, said the menu and medical can. They are problem, Beba. Now, this time around, because of Shatta records, I think say, or finding means of dealing with issues. It's a problem, but because one too many coming from him ebi okra na o manage no well as in otimi ye ma almost am back as said there na kwajo bubodi arabi ne deported aha na bulldog mu nyina no yehu how big a be ye ne nsema o mo keka ya na ebi o ha ense ne mfata ni nyina so na shatter involved into at this time no se bibi sa sia se ebi kwa no refia ye kai no so de be ya yenko ka se why no too much dodo in fact oni Pope Skinny so cry the da ho I no ate omo kasa ate on be some back in ade ahandi no ohwe saa ne mani nyina this time around BBC dey ya BBC no dey say opel so ompel BB obi beti obi na so anya wo direct cry na wo nkura bi ana ono no nkura bi omo mo wa kire ni bi betimi akoka ama na be count but because of the why any records are won't no as a handle you this time around and you know shata na me caution say you know relationship ne be ko you say enko you this time around ejina ne so say the air no efe so omo be yesa enenka omo betimi ayesa akọ akira nka be ye but no be a asemba ele be hu de be kono as say make say happy people don't take good decision in the at this time no se obo wasum kura wa ha hu se obo wasum because wani ji asa na tie just how de busa omo high pa no ye yo omo hwe omu tena ni so ano hu se
ya we no
ye yo bibi a hu ti wani so ano hu se why bibi
that me din kwasi
si asem
endi accident I just say yin san ya melu
ya gaba
so only ade obo be
ade great twa
unu say sa feeling na unya sa na wani ji ete say the omani ade etie ye obibi boni bi kra unhu o di wata o kan de kra unhu ji say eche ukoda na di asem na akwa o ka kire mi afi na o be dwene ho and this time around there omunhu say obi hurt obi ana bibi but say kakra in their sober mood no after say omo ba be court ya ba ne ho ahwan na afi de omo dwene no ebi beti obi na so but say esisa pa shata mum na me meka chense because say wo de ne bia ba me yehu ni ntino obia
I think one on cross na senior
senior man penny obia will be watching next move obey and in this time around BBC on try say obe find way obetimi atemi Emma out e just said yehu woni recent one somebody like Pope Skinny there my yehu say bi in fact say other side na offending no cry now on kai who say shut up make can you better to say into the mama function now on for BBC and no yes bekoyi and it's beautiful
the relationship there so far I think it's beautiful kojo ya po mama na Asteez Bakery and Beaded Craft for us
I said that could you remember her being uncle for the child
yes kojo na ne
lock
Asteez digital but Chani wa Chani man cancer mountain them so Chani man cancer mountain Asteez oh my idea me wa London crown o mo ka tell me oh brother me say if I say a bet shall be beautiful from Asteez mami mo mudini Asteez Bakery and Beaded Craft. No, I'm not per colors, but I'm so Sammy Flex TV colors no. Red, blue, and white. Timoki ka Sammy Flex TV colors na momuna mon famreni. Me buy pen almost you brasa me you na kusebe ya kojo king. Eba beje ade abai. Edi 10 years. Ene de nyame ayadom. Obofo eba watimi de ade aba. Nti efepa everything made of beads. Very beautiful. Osha omo label from the aboha chale Asteez for mania bio no me a title Asteez for a title o ma san de midin so aboho Sammy Flex papa enti pacho pedia o de o frame number na me make sure so sabeka ba call Instagram ne Facebook so a obetimi akonshom Asteez Bakery and Beaded Craft ASTYS bakery and beaded craft. There's so much aspect. No, I'll cost share. Now with me, I can say, more per day, more man, Sammy Flex. Style be out, baby, and mad dear, me mad dear. Open some for business, grandpa matare, and Mawa, they can do it for you. As this, God bless you so much. Now, if you will not shame him, that's what I say, hey. That's lies, I never. What's your name? Guys, thank you so much. Kojo Kid, God bless you. And Team Dodo Solomon, God bless you. Nana Regan, God bless you. Now, I've told you that, guys, watch out for this channel. We are about to give you some mind-blowing content. It is called the Flex Court. Yeah, check out the next week. We'll be the first one. Now, back to back, near the Mamo. So you have to wait for it. My name is Sammy Flex. Show produced by Emmanuel Lapiji with support from Digital Rasta Currency, which Flex, Tina Baby, and Gideon Nilam Tessin. Until then, Showbiz lives here. So you have to live here if you love Showbiz. You're out of here.